Now I'll teach you the trick how to learn the table of 8. First thing to do is write the table of 2. Now we'll start from the middle, that is 8 5s are, so we write 0. Then we move up writing the table of 2. Now we go right at the bottom, that is 8 10s are, and we write the same numbers going up. Our table is already half finished, and now we write the tens digits. We start with 0 and start writing going down. Then we write 1 2 3 4 4. What happened just now? I forgot. 4 wants to repeat itself, so we write 4 double times. So 5 6 7 8. Now I present to you the table of 8. Wasn't that great? Now comes 9. But just believe me, it's going to be all fine with your mind. Writing the table of 9 is as easy as climbing the stairs. So what comes first? 0. And we climb the numbers ladder. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that was very easy for you. So this gives us the tens digits. Step 2 is to go down the numbers ladder. So but now we're not going to start at 0. We're going to start at 9.
8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0.
This gives us the table of 9. Now let me explain you the table of 10. Okay, so 10 ones are means 10 is one time, so answer is 10. 10 twos are means 10 is 2 times, so the answer is 20. Now 20 threes are means 10 is 3 times, so 10 10 10, so answer is 30. To write the table of 10, we simply write all the numbers and then we write 0 with all the numbers we have written. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.